You're not fine. You're efficient. And efficiency hides damage better than weakness ever could. You don't fall apart. You organize. You respond. You solve problems before anyone even notices they exist. From the outside, that looks like strength. It looks stable. It looks impressive. But let's be precise. You didn't become strong. You became indispensable. And indispensable people don't get to collapse. They don't hesitate. They don't say, I can't handle this right now. They don't get overwhelmed. Because if they do, everything slows down. And you learned very early that slowing things down has consequences. So you stop saying it, not because it stopped being true, but because emotions create friction, and friction threatens efficiency. So you optimized yourself, more composed, more contained, more controlled. You trained your mind to ask, what needs to be handled? Instead of, what am I actually feeling? That shift made you effective, but it also made you distant from yourself. You don't really relax, you monitor. Even in quiet moments, part of your mind is scanning. What's next? What could go wrong? What am I missing? That's not just discipline. That's hypervigilance dressed as responsibility. Control feels calm to you. But control is often just anxiety that found structure. And structure gets rewarded. So no one questions it. You achieve, you endure, you stay composed, you function beautifully. But functioning is not the same as being okay. Being reliable is not the same as being at peace. Being stable is not the same as being free. High-functioning people are the hardest to notice because they never look like they're struggling. They just look busy. You're not weak. You're not broken. You adapted to a system that rewards you for ignoring yourself, and you became very good at it. If something inside you tightened while listening to this, that's not weakness. That's recognition. Recognition is uncomfortable because it asks a dangerous question. If I stop functioning for a moment, who am I underneath it? Maybe you're not exhausted because life is heavy. Maybe you're exhausted because you never put the weight down. And maybe the bravest thing you could do is not handle one more thing. But finally admit that you're not fine. You're functioning. And those are not the same. If this felt uncomfortably accurate. Comment. Functioning. Not for me. For you.